Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Chrome sync post problem. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Google Chrome, and first of all, I'm going to go to the Google Chrome setting. I'm going to click on these three dots on the top right, and we're going to go to the settings. In the settings, we need to go to the privacy and security. Okay, and we can scroll down until we find the site settings, and then we can scroll down again until we find the additional content settings. Okay, and then you can go to the on-device site data, and here make sure you have allowed sites to save data on your device. You have to select this option, and then you can add site to the Google. You can click on add right here, and then you can type in accounts.google.com. Okay, and then click on add. Alright, and after that guys, if this trick is still not working on your Google Chrome, I recommend you to clear the cache on your Google Chrome. You just need to go back to the privacy and security, and then you can click on delete browsing data. And here, make sure you select all time, and then you can click on delete data like this. And then you just need to close your Google Chrome and reopening it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix Google Chrome sync post problem. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.